Ebi byona bigambirwe nyumwabazyo ubwabire na hasira beji basiniya ya kanana ne ya mukaga ahishomero rya Kasinga ce rukushango murushu kutaboneka nso shema kandi ajwikirwe kanono Reverend Robert Kancheruho orukore by'abakozi habwa West Ankole Diocese.
We must make a deliberate effort towards the boy child. Our Shomesa, our Jah, we must make a deliberate effort. The boy child is getting lost every day.
It's a boy child, we all know when you are Kumbumsi. And I told these students that there is a possible extinction of the boy child to have Mzama heritage.
Mukuru w'ishomero rya Kasinga Center for High Education Abel Roshegera asimire government iriyo nebombekera seed school aho barukuza kubahereza buri kimwe ekiri kwetenga okukisomweji.
We would like to thank the patron of the school, Professor Ephraim Kamutu, for helping us for this project through the first lady, who is also the Minister of Education and Sports.
Abeje bishatu abarna mushanju nubo bahasirirwa kushitamire bigezo byabo byakamaririzo aharumo na nebye mukono kandi baraganise okukoraje
kandi ntubaraganisangu kugira byo ne batworire buryomo wanakoze rogweye nito tusigira.
Bishop has sent us a message that we shall really pass. We have been told that we shall really pass. We have read our books and the books have told us that we shall really pass.
Abazire babezi bareberweho barukonga abana baba haruhanga ubwe barukweshongoro tampingura mujoni korata yayira abandi na nyotansiga amakuru agagasha kwa Michael atwakire.